What's up, guys? So with the current situation going on with the pandemic and everything, I kind of got super lazy. I stopped working out, I stopped eating healthy, I put all the crap inside my body, and I thought I needed a change. But it's very, very hard to find motivation to go out and do a workout. So yesterday I got this Oculus Quest from my brother-in-law and I started playing one of these workout games called Box VR. I'm gonna insert a little clip right here to show you what I've did, and I kind of went on for over half an hour and I must admit it was kind of fun. So I kind of had the idea to why not make it a full challenge and try to work out for an entire week every day using the VR headset to see if it's a proper workout or if it's just another toy, and to see what my resume will be after a week. And what I found was fun and maybe not so much fun. So here we go, my second workout on day 2. All right, we're going with Clockwise from Jono. I'm like half an hour in and I'm sweating a good amount here. So it's definitely fun. I'm sweating, I need to hydrate. I think I can do 1 hour, and I think that's a good goal for the rest of the week to keep it steady. 1 hour of that workout. I might switch it up in some games, but let's do the other half an hour for now. $135, $145. I can't even think anymore straight. I hope that's visible. 145, so it's definitely a workout. That was day 2. I can so feel it in my upper back. I might be totally sore tomorrow, but day 2 done. So when I first tried out the game yesterday for the first time, I didn't really expect too much. I thought it might just be another VR demo or just something to play around with and then throw into the corner after 10 minutes. It's kind of like this aerobic dance class thing that's going on, and you always punch to the beat, which makes it very much fun. It feels like a little bit of a mix between dancing to the beat and punching. I don't know if you've ever done something like a Thai bow class or a fit box class. It kind of feels like that. And one thing that I really like about it is that you feel super isolated. You feel like you're on your own, and wearing these VR goggles makes it even stronger of a feeling, so you don't feel embarrassed or anything, and that adds up to the fun. And I'm curious how I'm gonna feel tomorrow and if it gets better or worse from here on out. Day 3. I woke up pretty sore. My entire upper back is sore. Also a little bit of my biceps and my butt a little bit too from the squats. All of that is a little bit pathetic, but it also shows that it works. All right, here we go. Let's try the 10 to 15 minute one. Oh, I'm so sore, I need to warm up. Anyway, I did my workout, I pushed through it, I was quite fatigued afterwards, but day 3 went by without any big issues. Oh, my back is so sore. Come on, mate. Come on. Let's get it done, mate. You don't want a piece of this. You don't want to catch these hands. Poof. There you go. You caught on. Another one. Come on. Hey, what? On day 4, my back was still pretty sore, but a little less than day 3, and my body slowly seemed to accommodate to the workouts. And on this day I tried a couple of new workouts. I tried a couple of the longer ones between 15 and 30 minutes, and 1 or 2 of them had a lot of squats in them. And I knew that on day 5 I'll be sore in my legs. That's it for day number 4. I'm quite tired, but I'm gonna continue tomorrow. There's the haircut, there's the print on the face. Let's go! So here we are, day 5. I'm about to do my workout. It got pretty warm, so it's tank top time. And yes, my legs are as sore as they have not been before during this workout. My back again feels a little better. I think my body's just getting used to the workout, and I'm looking forward to the last 3 days, and I'm gonna try to push a little harder than yesterday again. So let's go, day number 5. All right, day 5. Okay, what I wanted to show is like, I noticed how you can cheat almost every workout, right? I feel like I sound a little funny because this rubber thing presses on my nose and makes it impossible to breathe, so I sound a little nasally. But with this one you can cheat just with any other workout, and I try to give it, like, to push it a little bit, like bam, like do the punches for real, do it quickly, snap your arm back, be like bam, try to be like a boxer, bam, hook, like bah, uppercut, like that. And I hope there's a little more coming, like bam, 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 da, da. So if you want to work out, you can put it in, but I feel like since it's a game you can just do this and just hit all the marks, and it's like, hey, I'm getting the score right, this is amazing, I'm doing a fantastic workout and I just hit everything. Perfect for the game, but big difference if I just do this, be like bup bup, yes, hit them too. I hit those ones, and there we go. Bop, 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 bop. Or you do this. Bop, 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 bop. You can see I'm quickly getting out of breath here. I try to find a good midway so I can do it for an hour, but want to have as good as a workout that I can. I mean, with every real workout, you can fake it too. Oh yeah, that's how I do it. So let's turn the music back on and get to it. Whoa, my arms feel super heavy today. Today's day 6 and I feel way better. I was less sore in my back and the motivation was higher again. It is kind of this thing, when you train the same muscle group over and over again, it kind of gets used to the effort and you're not as sore anymore, and all of a sudden the workout is fun again. Alright, today is day number 7, last day of the week. Final workout, 1 more hour and we're done. Start off with the nice short one, intense one. This was the last hour. I just wanted to get through it basically. I was having fun, but I was also looking forward to finish the challenge. Alright, last song for the week. Just 3 more minutes and then we're done. Let's see if I can get this perfect. Last minute, I haven't missed one yet. Oh, is that it? Last song, perfect song, 100%, 100%, 100, 100, 100%. Woo! Thank you. I think that's a good finish to the week. It's the first time that I did one and I hit 100% of the notes, the balls, whatever. Anyway, 7 hours of exercising over 7 days and I'm done for now. Let's go get some water and sit down for a minute. And that brings us back here at the end of the week. I just finished my workout and I have to say I'm kind of glad that I'm done, but I also have to say it was quite a fun week. So to answer the biggest question first, working out in virtual reality, is it a real workout? And I definitely have to say yes, absolutely. Because punching stuff, kicking stuff is a lot of fun and you get to punch a lot when you're doing the Box VR thing with the Oculus Quest. And as you saw, I immediately got pretty sore, so if you're not in great shape, you will notice, you will build muscle, you will build endurance. If you're a great athlete, you can still push yourself hard during these workouts. Like I said before, there's potential to cheat. You can just do these tiny movements and still get the points, but that's not the point of that game. That game is definitely focused on a workout and that's what it is. I can easily push my pulse above 150 beats per minute, and if you keep that up for a little while, that's definitely a hard endurance workout. Combining with the sore muscles, all the squats, you train your legs, and overall, absolute fun workout. Definitely recommended. Also, since it is still a game, you kind of forget that you're working out sometimes. And if you're in the mood and you just see the things flowing and you flow with all the punches, you sometimes forget that you're sweating, that you're working out. And that's absolutely a good thing. It makes time go by faster, you work out longer, and it is in general just a more fun workout than, let's say, just running on a treadmill, at least for me. Before I picked up that game, I have a history of playing Beat Saber every now and then on occasion, and off camera I played a little round of Beat Saber again to throw in a comparison, because I personally know people who lost weight playing Beat Saber. And I have to say, with Beat Saber you move around a lot too, but it's nowhere near as intense as the Box VR workout, because in Beat Saber you have to be very focused on hitting all your targets the right way. It is more of a game and just a little underlining moving workout. The Box VR game, on the other hand, is definitely a workout first and a game second. So, Box VR, does it teach you boxing? By playing this game, will you become the next YouTube boxing sensation? And that answer is probably not. So you might not become a very good boxer by doing this, but you will definitely have a lot of fun and feel like a boxer. Another quick thing I want to mention again is I don't know if you can see it properly, there's the soft touch padding that you have on your face, and you will sweat a lot doing this game. This will soak up a lot of sweat. So you can get this rubber thing which you can put on. However, the problem is the rubber makes you sweat even more, and the sweat accumulates inside of the glasses and outside. It drips more. It's a little less comfortable, but it still works. It's definitely more fun to use it without it, but if you want to do that regularly, I would definitely suggest to pick up one of these things. Alright, so that's it for my working out in VR for 1 week video. I was surprised how much fun it is. Let me know in the comments below if you worked out in VR before, or if you would like to try. Let me also know if you like this kind of video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'm always open for more recommendations. What could I try next? Up until then, thanks you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.